Many hard surface features take advantage of polygroups. The Autogroups button randomly distributes polygroups to each individual mesh in your subtool. Regroup by edges generates polygroups based off the edges of your mesh. The slider to the right adjusts the thickness of the polygrouped edges. Group by normals is useful for polygrouping hard surface models. However, it can be a hit or miss, trial and error experience switching between open and closed circle options, as well as finding the right max angle value for the best results. Group mask will polygroup anything currently masked and invert your mask. Group mask clear mask will polygroup anything masked and clear all masks afterwards. The group change points button will polygroup your last stroke. Merge similar groups will polygroup all meshes with the same poly count. With the slice brush selected, hold Ctrl, Alt, and Spacebar to open the mini menu and select B radius. Now slices will produce double cuts with the thickness set by your own brush size. Note that your polygon count will determine how long it takes to process these slices. With your selection tool active, click on the polygroup to isolate it. In the split section, the split hidden option is now available to split to a separate subtool. The group split button is the fastest way to separate your polygroups into separate subtools. Split to similar parts will separate meshes with the same poly count to their own subtool. As we move further in the course, you will see that Polygroups offers the type of control you want to edit and create hard surface features. Join me in the next clip to discuss modifiers.